man. Come on now. Do they got this? This is in my house now. Look, man, they ain't got this shit, man. At the condo, man. Oh no, they ain't doing it like that either. They ain't doing it like that. Then we got the coffee over here too, with the beans. We'll put a lid in them. It's coming next. The nigga making it. Starbucks can't fuck with that. The 7-Eleven is the shit though, man. What the fuck? Look at this shit, man. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, look, nigga, 7-Eleven vending machine in this motherfucker. You can't make this shit up, man. Look at this shit, man. Nigga, the same prices too. Everything. Nigga got Jolly Ranchers and all kind of shit in there. Hamburgers. Protein down there. Damn, I didn't see that protein. Even them proteins in that motherfucker, man. Just to pay, man. Oh, they do got chicken in this motherfucker. I ain't got no number. See what y'all would have got. Y'all would have got Coca-Cola.
Oh, we got that.
Yeah. See? That's just the choices. That's just the choices you get. I'm suffering, man. You think I want to drink this shit? I be wanting pizza and shit. I be suffering, man. But I still eat. Sometimes I don't give a fuck. 10 days in a row. Thanks, man. Is it ready?
No, you got to take the lid and then...
I got to take the lid first?
Yeah,
Hold